Hello viewers, and welcome to Complete Attire. If you're a boutique owner looking to grow your business, this video is for you. Before we start the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start. Starting a fashion business is easy, but maintaining it without a proper plan is a very hard task. If you work alone, this can never open the door to a successful business for you. All you need is a platform that can value your talent and help you grow your business. Signing up for a platform helps you in better business management, see past orders, customer care, and everything that you need for a hassle-free business. Attaching with a platform can also benefit you in sales tracking, revenue tracking, and how you're doing in your business. If you want to get all these benefits, then I have a perfect platform for you. Join Complete Attire as a boutique owner and start selling your products faster, better, and proficient. See the link in the description to sign up and enter into a new era of doing business.